Rubix Talent Kids.
Hi friends, my name is Nidhish. Today I will be explaining you the topic exponential powers. This topic will come for you in 8th grade. So friends, now let's learn about exponential powers. For example, let's take a number 10. Above here, the superscript is 6. So here, this is an exponent and it is also called as a power. Now let's see how. Firstly, this part, the 10, is called the base, and this 6 is called exponent. Now this can be read as 10 to the power of 6 or 10 raised to. So friends, here we can read this in two ways. 10 to the power of 6 or 10 raised to the 6th power. So this can be read in these two ways. Now let's learn about the next topic. So friends, now let's learn about our next topic, which is the negative powers. So for example, let's take 10 to the power of minus 2. Now here we have minus. So like this, for some they would give like 8, some they would give 6, some would give 9, like this. Here, what does this minus mean? Now let's see what does it mean. Now let's take 10 to the power of minus 4. Here, this minus means that 1 by this remaining number. So 10 to the power of 4. Here the minus represents nothing but the power should be divided by 1. Sorry, 1 should be divided by this. Now this 10 power 4 is 10,000. So the answer is 1 by 10,000. 10 power minus 4 equals to 1 by 10,000. Like that, similarly we will take 5 to the power of minus 5. Now this equals to 1 by 5 power 5. Now we have learned about negative exponents. Now let's go on to the next topic. Now let's learn about the laws of exponents. Now in this we have 8 laws. Now let's see about them one by one. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7th, 8th. First law, a power m into a power n equals to a power m plus n. Here we take a as any number. So it can be taken as a equals to 7, 9, 20, something. It can be any number. M. So here m can also be any number. But n and n should not be the same. Then we would get it as a to the power of m plus n. For example, let's take a as 4 and m as 2 into 4 to the power of 5. Now this equals to 4 to the power of 2 plus 5, which equals to 4 to the power of 7. The next one, a power m into b power m. Now this is simple. Here we would get the answers ab whole power m. Now let's see it with an example. Now we'll take a as 3 and b as 7. We'll take m as 2. So 3 power 2 into 7 power 2 equals to 3 into 7 whole power 2. Now this equals to 21 power 2. Now let's go on to the next one. A by b. So a power m by b power m equals to a by b whole power m. Here, let's take a as 6 and b as 9 to the power of 3. Now this equals to 6 by 9 whole power 3. Now the next one, a power m by a power n, and this equals to a power m minus n. Here let's take a as 5 and its power as 7 and this as 6. So now this equals to 5 power 7 minus 6, which equals to 5 power 1. The next one is a power 0 equals to 1. Here a can be any number, any non-zero number. A doesn't equal to 0. A can be any number. Any number to the power of 0 equals to 1. Next one, a power m whole power n equals to a power mn. Now this means, for example, let's take a as 2 and m as 4. So 2 power 4, and again this is raised to the power 3, and then we get it as 2 power 4 into 3. Now this equals to 2 power 12. So friends, the next one is a power minus m. Before you have seen about this negative exponent, so this would equal to 1 by a power m, and here 1 by a power minus m equals to a power m. So friends, these are the laws of exponents. Now we will be learning how to use them in questions. So friends, we will take a question 3 power minus 2. We have to find its value. So 3 power minus 2, we will take the formula a power minus m, and this equals to 1 by a power m. Now this equals to 1 by 3 power 2, then 1 by 3 power 2 equals to 1 by 9. So 1 by 9 is the answer. Friends, now let's see another question. So the next question is minus 4 to the power of 5 by minus 4 to the power of 8. This is in the form of a power m by a power n. It's in the same form. Now its answer would be a power m minus n. Then this would equal to minus 4 to the power of 5 minus 8. Now this would equal minus 4 to the power of minus 3. Then this would equal minus 1 by minus 4 cube. Friends, now let's see another question, which is minus 3 power 4 into 5 by 3 power 4. Now let's see how to solve this kind of questions. First, let's simplify it. Here, this one, 5 by 3 whole power 4. It can be written as, by the way, it is in the form of a by b whole power m. Then it can be written as a power m by b power m. So first we will write it in that form. This equals to minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. Here minus 3 to the power of 4. We have to take it 4 times. Minus 3 into itself 4 times. Again into 5 power 4 by 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Here minus into minus becomes plus. So this and this get cancelled, and here 2 minus and minus. Then we would have 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 power 4 by 3 power 4. Then we would cancel this and this. Then we would get the answer as 5 power 4. And 5 power 4 equals to 625. Now let's go on to our next question. So friends, this is our next question, which is 8 power minus 1 into 5 power 3 by 2 power minus 4. Now we are going to solve this question. First, 8 can be written as 2 power 3. We would write it as 2 power 3 whole power minus 1 into 5 power 3 by 2 power minus 4. The formula is a power m whole power n equals a power mn. Now we have to multiply 3 and minus 1. Then we would get 2 power minus 3 into 5 power 3 by 2 power minus 4. Now we are going to expand this. So a power minus m equals to 1 by a power m. right? For a while we will not consider this 5 cube. We would write it as 2 1 by 2 cube by 1 by 2 power 4 into 5 cube. Now here these we would now write it as 2 power 3 by 2 power 4 into 5 cube. Here a power m by a power n equals to a power m minus n. Now we will subtract these two exponents, then we would get 2 power minus 1 into 5 cube. Now this equals to 1 by 2 into 5 cube, which equals to 125 by 2. This is the answer. So friends, now let's see our next question. So friends, our next question is 5 power m divided by 5 power minus 3 equals to 5 power 5. We have to find the value of m. Now let's see how to find the value of m. First, 5 power m by 5 power minus 3. Here a power minus m equals to 1 by a power m. Now this equals to 5 power 5. Then this would equal 5 power m by a power m by a power n. We can subtract these two. Then we would get minus of minus 3. And this equals to 5 power 5. Now this equals to 5 power m plus 3, which equals to 5 power 5. Here the bases are same. So these two are the bases. These two values are equal. Then we can also equate the exponents. Then m plus 3 equals to 5. Then we transpose 3 to that side. M equals 5 minus 3, which equals to 2. So m value equals to 2. So friends, this is our next question. Now let's see how to solve this question. First, we have to simplify the big terms. Here we can simplify 10 as 2 into 5. Then we can write it as 2 power minus 5 into 5 power minus 5. When we multiply these two, we would get the answers 10 power minus 5. We can write 125 as 5 cube. Then we can take 5 power minus 7 as it is, into we can take 6 as 2 into 3. Then we would get 2 power minus 5 into 3 power minus 5. Now we have to simplify it. Here 2 power minus 5 and 2 power minus 5 get cancelled. 3 power minus 5 and 3 power minus 5 get cancelled. Then we would have 5 power minus 5 into 5 power 3 by 5 power minus 7. Now we will solve this. Here a power m into a power n. This equals to a power m plus n. Then 5 power minus 5 plus 3 by 5 power minus 7. Now this would equal 5 power minus 2 by 5 power minus 7. Now here a power m by a power n. Then we can do is subtract them. This would equal 5 power minus 2 into minus of minus 7. Now this would equal 5 power minus 2 plus 7. Now this would equal 5 power 5. So this is the answer. Now let's go on to the next question. Friends, now let's see how to simplify very big numbers into short forms like 0.00000000067. It's a very big number. We cannot remember it. So we have some method. We have a method using the exponents. We can write it in the simple form. Now let's see how we can do that. Friends, first point is a number can be in a standard form. by writing it in the decimal multiplied by the powers of 10. Now I will tell you what is it. First, by the way, this is, see, first we take the decimal point all the way up to here and we count how many jumps it takes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now we write 6.7 into 10 power minus 10. Because we have the decimal over here, we are moving it towards the end. So we write it as 10 power minus 10. Also, here we have a very important point to note. Here, this value should always be the numbers from 1 to 9. 1 to 9 only. It can be 9, 8, 7, 6 and all till 1. It should not be less than 1 and it should not be more than 9. That's this condition. Now let's see a few more examples on how to do these type of questions. So friends, here we have taken two questions in which the one of the decimal points is over here and one of them is here. So we first take the first question and we count the number of zeros till we reach the single digit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now we write it as 3.186 into 10 power 10. Here we did not write minus 10 because before we took the decimal point to the right. When we take the decimal point from left to right, we keep minus. But when we take the decimal point from right to left, we write positive number, exponents. And this one would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this would be, we would write this as 8.37 into 10 power minus 9. By the way friends, we can only use the powers of 10. We won't use the powers of hundreds, 80s, 70s. We only use the powers of 10s to do this. Thank you friends, that's today's video. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe, and I hope this video helps you in understanding exponents and powers. Thank you.